My name is Bruce Borowsky. I'm one of the co-founders of Boulder Digital Arts. We provide training in almost all the creative digital arts. Photoshop, web design, filmmaking, Photoshop, UI, UX, digital marketing, and so much more. You know, in the ever-changing job market, we have so many people that come to us saying they want to learn new things to be able to keep up in their field. And we have our classes that are short and sweet and affordable that fit into people's daily schedules so they really can keep up with the ever-changing technology. These are weird times. It's very, very odd. And we're doing our best to keep up, and I think we're doing pretty good. All our classes used to be in person, now they're online. So it actually makes it easier for people to be able to attend our classes. There's really nobody else offering what we do. Classes and workshops that we offer, most places charge probably 2 or 3 times what we charge. We've always kept our prices affordable, and our instructors are world class. They're amazing. They do this stuff all day and love to teach, so they really know what they're teaching about. Definitely check out our website, www.boulderdigitalarts.com. We've got lots of classes and workshops. They're all on Zoom right now. We also have an on-demand video library. So whatever you need, we can teach you so you can be able to keep up with what's going on.